Hi, my name is Carine and I learned different meditation techniques such as the serene mind and the soul sync. Help you to calm yourself down and give you a peace of mind. What I like about the workshop is that we were provided activities that allow us to interact between ourselves, and we were also they showed us videos to guide us on the different ways to meditate and different methods to calm yourself down or find out the problems that you're facing with and how to resolve them. Yeah. Then they also helped me realize that the different problems that I was facing with and how to overcome them. So now, after this workshop, I feel a lot more at peace and I know how to calm myself down whenever I feel tensed up again or whenever I face such problems again. Thank you.